soldering. So for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay Cleanroom Disposable Sticky Mat Blue. 24" by 36". Meron siyang 8, sa isang case meron siyang 8 pads. At kada pads meron siyang 30 sheets. Yun guys, i-unbox na natin siya. Ito siya guys. Ayan. So guys, yan ang ating sticky mat. Blue. Salitin natin sa glass. Ayan siya guys. Yan ang ating Cleanroom Disposable Sticky Mat Blue. So, guys, makikita nyo may mga bilang dito. Kung ilang pads yan. Kada isang pads, meron siyang number. Labas na. Yan guys. So guys, kung makikita nyo, meron siyang mga number. 1. Yan, kada pad. 30 sheets ang laman niya. Kada pad. Ayan. Guys. Ayan guys. Kada isang ganito guys. Meron siyang 30 sheets. Ayan siya guys. So, what is the use of Cleanroom Disposable Sticky Mat Blue? The Cleanroom Disposable Sticky Mat Blue SM-3601 is used mainly for contamination control. It is placed at the entrance of a clean room or other controlled area so that dust, dirt, and particles stuck to shoes, shoe covers, or cart wheels are captured before entering. For the SM-3601 Blue, specifically, the listed specifications are 24 by 36 inches with 30 disposable layers per mat. Each layer is peeled off when it becomes dirty, exposing a fresh, sticky layer. It's commonly used in electronics or semiconductor manufacturing, laboratories, pharmaceutical areas, hospitals, and other controlled environments where minimizing particles is important. So guys, yan ang ating Cleanroom Disposable Sticky Mat Blue. 24" by 36".